Hey everyone, this one's a shame. This is at Boyertown Auto Museum. This thing should be in the museum, but I'm in the lot in the back outside looking at all these vehicle trucks. This thing is a total disaster. Just look. Military truck right here. Military ambulance, what's left of it. Look back there, guys. It's a total disaster. Look at all the stuff. Man. Oh, wow. Can you imagine sitting in here like this and then going from being so nice to this? Sliding door. The door's off on this one. Oh yeah, the door's completely off. You can see inside. Wow. What a shame. Look at that thing. Yeah, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. But it'd be nice for someone to fix this up. Honestly, I think someone can probably fix it up. I would probably say that because... Nah. That's ready to get junked.